everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I'm going to do two unbaggings today from AliExpress. One, there was a mistake, they sent me the wrong item and they corrected it, so I'll show you that one. And the other one, this is just a laugh. So okay, I'll show you the laugh first. Right, so I don't know whether you've seen the advert, it's on Facebook and on AliExpress as well. I'll put some photographs in the video. It's a mystery box, and you either get a 5D DIY diamond painting, a notebook, stationery box, keychain, bookmark, round diamond, special diamond, or a cross stitch. And you pay, it was $6.08. You have a 55% chance of getting a diamond painting, and then it shows you what you've got the chance of getting. So I thought, oh, that sounds a bit fun, I'll have a look at that. And this package arrived and I'd forgotten about it. I ordered it the 11th of June, and I think it was about, well, it was last week that it arrived, so it's about, what, 4 weeks to come. So it took quite a while, and I really had sort of forgotten about it. And I thought, oh, what have I got? Just one painting, that's a bit odd. Just move those to one side. And I had to open it to have a look to see what it was. And I thought, well, I've never ordered that. That's, not my thing. And then I realised, this is the mystery painting. So, yeah, it was certainly a mystery when it arrived. But yeah, so it's $6 and it's £5 something. I mean, it was a bit of fun. Whether I'd order it again or not, I don't know, but hey ho. So this is what I've got. I don't generally order CATs purely because of Millie Moo. But I mean, it is quite pretty. It's not, I don't tend to do them. It's not one I would have ordered myself. But this is the first time I've taken it out of the packet. I just saw what it was and I thought, well, I don't remember ordering that. I would never have ordered that. And it took me a while to figure it out, a bit slow there. So let's see if we can flatten this. It's a special drill. It's got 11 different drills. So yeah, this will be, it's okay, it'll just go in my portfolio. It'll be one that I'll do in between other canvases if I'm doing a double-sided double-sided tape or adhesive canvas. I do like to do something that's a little bit easier, a little bit more enjoyable for me. I don't get on brilliantly with double-sided tape, but I do them, and I've got them. So yeah, that's flattened it out a little bit so you can see it. So yeah, it says it's a 30 by 40, but that will probably be the canvas size. We'll just double check. You do tend to sort of get a sense of them actually as you've done a few. Yeah, so that's just under 24 centimetres. So it's quite a big border on this one by 33 centimetres. Yeah, 33 and a half. So yeah, that is quite a big border on that one. But it is all special drill. A very basic toolkit, no multi-placer, and a small piece of wax, but it does look like it's more of the red wax than the translucent wax. But again, that's all you need to get going if that's what you want to do. So let's have a look at these drills. So yeah, it's okay, but yeah, this was my mystery box. Oh, looks like we've got some lovely drills in it though, so it may be redeeming itself. Okay, so let's just have a look at the plain colours first. She says, and the first one is actually one of my faves, which is this blue purpley coloured AB, which is like an oil on water Aurora Borealis coating on a gem there. They're just like a sphere, they have not got any facets. And then we've got our basic silver and gold. Oh, and that lovely aqua greeny colour, that's lovely. And orange, maybe marmalade, a marmalade cat, and a purpley colour, and a goldy colour there, and similar, but more of a bluey aqua than a greeny aqua there. And then our specials, so we've got the round facet, like orangey reddy colour. We've got a round facet, which is like your purpley bluey colour. And then look at those. Wow, I've not seen those before. And oops, just let me sort my camera out. That's it. Just got a message on my camera. Hope that hasn't come through on the film. So yeah, look at those. Oh, they sparkle. Very, very pretty. So there'll be all the spots, I think, on the cat there. Okay, so yeah, maybe, I mean, I wasn't expecting to get like a top price. I think I would have preferred a full drill painting, but I do like my specials. I don't usually order CATs. I can't say the word because Billy's in the room. But yeah, it's going to be fun to do, and it's a nice picture. So it'll be fun to do all the different colours, and the drills are a bit different, so we've got a bit different one there. So that's that one. And then, as I say, the other delivery, this one was some little paintings that I ordered, and they sent me the wrong one. I do like doing these. You can buy them now without the frames, which I do prefer them without the frames, because I tend to put these onto greetings cards. These will probably go onto a 7x7 or an 8x8 square greetings card. And these were from, again, AliExpress, and they were from the Grace painting store. The mystery painting was from the Hibah Beng store. Okay, I will put the links down below. But yeah, I'd actually ordered an owl and a pussycat. So yeah, I had ordered a cat in this case. I think I just liked the rainbow colours. And I did have a friend in mind to do a card with a cat on for. But they sent me the little panda, and I have actually done that one before, and I have got another one of it. So I wouldn't have probably complained if it wasn't the fact that I have already got 2 pandas and I didn't really want a third one. But they're nice little pictures, these. So let's have a look at the cat one. And just see, as I say, you can buy these with the frames, and they did at one point only come with frames, but now they have started selling them without frames as well. This one just wants flattening down a little bit. They're like a full special drill, because they're not, the drills aren't all, the gems aren't all right up to one another as such, but it is a full coverage, as you can see, and I just love the whiskers on that. It's one of the rainbow type paintings, and you've got your little cut around the dotted line that gives you your picture, but lovely clear drill field, all good clear letters and numbers there, and basic toolkit again, just with your waxy boat and your pen. Okay, let's measure this one, and this one is 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres, which is just under 6 inches by 6 inches. So yeah, they're just lovely. As I say, I come from a card making background, and I've said before, if you've watched my other videos, so I do always have an eye open when I'm looking at diamond paintings, ones that I can put onto greetings cards to send to people. As I say, I have got somebody in mind for this one. Okay. Oh, these are the long thin bags, which I got with some of my wreaths that I did. So we have a lovely red colour, the green, the gold, your aqua blue. Oh, that's like a plummy purpley colour. It's like a very pale champagne colour, and then some whites in 2 different sizes, just like your half sphere pearls with no facets. Got your black there, and then hot pink, yay, hot pink colour. So yeah, pretty. What have we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 colours on that one. So yeah, quite a bit to do. I do like these, just a little bit of fun. We'll have a look at the drills on the panda quickly. It's the same size, so 15 centimetres by 15 centimetres. As I say, I did end up getting this one free, as it were, so I may be doing a giveaway with this one. We'll see once I get to 100 subscribers, which I know in the grand scheme of things 100 is not a lot, but yeah, it is for me. The fact that people are watching me, brilliant. I'll do a little giveaway, and the panda may be the prize, and I may have the frame to go with it as well. We'll see. Okay, so looks like we've got similar drills, which, again, all these plastic things. So we'll start with the gems. So we have a red and a green and another green, and then a slightly bigger green there, pink, gold, blue and a slightly bigger blue, and like a brown and a slightly bigger brown, and then your whites in 2 sizes, your blacks in 2 sizes, oh, 3 sizes of blacks and 3 sizes of whites. So yeah, we've got plenty of different colours and sizes there. So that's panda. And as I said, I did contact the company, and they did apologise and said they would send me the owl, which they did, and it did take a long time to come. This one actually came through, it's postmarked the 4th of June. I'd ordered these the 17th of May, and they came round about the end of May, so it, I suppose 4th of June, I think these came about the middle, so it took possibly another 3 weeks for this to arrive, but they did then send me the correct one, which is the one I wanted actually. I do like the little owl, and again I have greetings cards in mind for this one, and a friend that I know I will send this one to. Oh, I'm making a right pig's ear with this bag, Liz, goodness me. Okay, so that's the drill. Sorry for the crinkling. Basic toolkit again, but yeah, I mean, companies do make mistakes, but as long as they come back to you and they sort of own the mistake and correct it, then I think that's fair enough. And that's how I do work my customer service with companies, not by the fact that they've made a mistake, but the fact of how they deal with their mistake. So that's the little owl. I just think he's really sweet. And again, I got it without the frame. I didn't want the frame. Okay, I have to be careful with these because I don't think there's a code number. No. Oh yes, there is. The code's at the top there, look. Yeah, KO33. Yeah, and it's on the drills. Yep, so there is a code number, so if I get the drills muddled up, I'm okay. It's on the canvas. Okay, good job it's dustbin day tomorrow, so I can get rid of some of this rubbish. Right, so we have some green. We have 3 colours of like the goldy champagne colour. We have 2 colours of the brownie colour. We have 2 colours of white. We have the black, which have got some whites in them. We've got like an ambery colour there. We've got 3 colours of the dark blue. Oh, that's a lovely blue that the sky is going to be. Like those. And 4 colours of the blue. So, and then you're plain, just crystal gems, you're plain silver crystal gems there as well. So yeah, this one's going to be really sparkly. I do like these little pictures. I have done quite a few of them, and yeah, I do like collecting them. But yeah, so that was good. So I ended up with a panda that I hadn't ordered, but they did then correct and send me the correct one. So just a quick little video with my 3 mini paintings, and then my mystery painting of my abstract cats. Oops, just put that on there. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these, and it's nice of you to pop by. I do appreciate any of you that do watch my videos. If you want to join me for my next one, if you subscribe, it does let you know when my next video is uploaded. And if you've enjoyed it, if you press the like, it just gives me a little bit of a boost with YouTube. But thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.